Being part of the ISSA advocacy is so important to me. It's very important that as a member in our association that we have a voice in Washington, D.C. We have an opportunity to visit with our legislators and talk to them about the policies that are affecting our businesses every day. Please join me at the Washington Fly-In the ISSA sponsors and join me in supporting our association. We need to get as many members as we can there to push our voice in the industry.
In March, we are going to the Clean Advocacy Summit, and we are so excited to be continuing to spread period positivity.
I recently had an opportunity to attend the Clean Advocacy Summit in Washington, D.C. And man, what a great experience it was, because not only did we get to see how the wheels really operate in D.C., but we were able to participate and meet with our representatives and senators in a way where we were prepared and we knew what to say when we talked to them, and it was really enlightening.
As a company, we attended the Clean Advocacy Summit in Washington, D.C., and we had a wonderful experience.